Welcome to our channel, where today we're embarking on an enlightening journey through the world of investment with our latest video, Dividend Stocks Charlie Munger would have loved. We'll dive deep into the investment philosophy of Charlie Munger, a legend in the world of finance, and explore how his wisdom lights the path for companies like Procter Gamble Company, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Wells Fargo. If you're passionate about building a robust investment portfolio and understanding the nuances of dividend stocks, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share this video with your network, and ring the notification bell to never miss out on our insightful financial content. Our narrative starts with the concept of reliable cash generators, a cornerstone of Munger's investment approach. Companies that provide essential services and products, such as the Procter & Gamble Company with its wide array of household necessities, exemplify this principle. Their ability to generate predictable cash flows, even in economic downturns, marks them as pillars of stability in any investment portfolio. As we sip on a refreshing Coca-Cola, we're reminded of the enduring value of fortified market leaders. Coca-Cola's global dominance isn't just about its ubiquitous beverage. It's a story of unparalleled brand loyalty and a vast distribution network that Munger highly values. This economic moat ensures Coca-Cola's sustained profitability and resistance against competitive forces. Transitioning to the healthcare sector, Johnson & Johnson's narrative is one of innovation and trust. With a diversified business model spanning pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products, J&J embodies Munger's principle of efficient capital utilization. The company's strategic investments in research and development have not only fueled robust growth but also cemented its position as a leader in healthcare. Wells Fargo's tale, though marked by challenges, is a testament to the virtue of being debt-averse. In navigating through regulatory hurdles and market volatility, Wells Fargo's efforts to streamline operations and enhance customer service reflect Munger's preference for companies with strategic foresight and a resilient financial structure. Delving into the financial disclosures of these corporations reveals much more than numbers. The filings provide a window into the strategic decisions that underpin their market dominance, financial health, and commitment to delivering shareholder value. These documents are a treasure trove for investors seeking to understand the underlying strength and potential of these dividend-paying giants. As we conclude our exploration, it's time to reflect on how Munger's investment principles can be applied to your own investment strategy. How do the attributes of these companies align with your financial goals? Are you inclined towards the stability of consumer staples like P&G, the brand loyalty of Coca-Cola, the diversified innovation of Johnson & Johnson, or the financial services of Wells Fargo? We're eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Do you currently hold dividend stocks that reflect Munger's investment criteria? How do you assess a company's potential as a dividend payer? Share your insights and questions in the comments section below. Let's foster a community of informed and strategic investors. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the principles of dividend investing through the lens of Charlie Munger. If you've gained new perspectives or valuable insights from our discussion, please like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth financial analyses. Remember, the journey of investing is continuous learning and adaptation. Let's navigate it together with wisdom and foresight.